One more for the go. Wee, spinning. It's beautiful. This is the way it came in. Cool. I ordered the AROMA-2, a factory second, the ball bearing press, and the grappies in black. Still didn't open them. This came pretty well packaged. Be right back. I opened the first one. This is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. So cool. Open the second one. Be right back. Okay, this is the second one. Wow, this is beautiful. I go for the factory second. That's the only thing I see right there. I don't know if the camera could pick it up. Oh. Like little tiny little scratches, like right there. See it right there? And I think I see another one right. Oh. Right there. It's really not that bad though. It's there, but looks like typical scratches that you will make by mistake if you're laying down the wrong way. It is beautiful. I'm going to show this off to my friends. Look at this. That is so cool. I'm going to cover it with the grippies anyways. And spins. Whee! This is what it looks like with the grippies. It's heavy. Nice weight to it. This is a beautiful piece. Thank you everybody at AROMA Designs. And thank you, Ben. I appreciate this. Have a blessed day.